The next question is there a way to receive dental implants without incurring any costs?
Uh, so the question is there a way to receive dental implants without incurring any cost? Um, the answer is absolutely yes, you can, but there is not a lot of places which are going to offer this type of treatment for free. And I happen to notice, like I believe, like in either on the newspaper or like in one of the community channels, they were doing some kind of a study on a new dental implant coming in. So they were offering the dental implant for a lower cost. Of course, they are not going to be totally able to do it for free. They were offering it for a lower cost because they were trying some type of a new treatment. So to answer your question, you definitely can look for places to see whether the dental implant can be offered at a lower cost as compared to your local dentist. And one of the greatest other ways to get any type of subsidized cost treatment is your local dental school. So if you happen to be in an area where you have a local dental school, so go to the dental school. And here we are in Dallas, and we have a dental school. And if we happen to be in Texas, we got about 3 or 4 dental schools in Texas, and you can go to any one of those dental schools to get the dental implant treatment at the subsidized cost, or look for clinics they are offering at a subsidized cost, or look for some of the implant centers, and if they are trying out any type of treatment, they will be able to do the dental implant treatment at a subsidized cost. And a lot of times when patients say that they are not able to afford for the dental implant, it is just not the it just either we usually ask them. I think, Lynn, you're probably super good in doing that. And tell me the question that you asked. Is that the whole amount? What do you say?
Yeah, I usually ask them if it's the entire amount of the treatment, the total cost, or if it's fitting it more into a monthly budget that will allow them to do something that they may not be able to do if they have to pay up front.
So to tell the listener here, so what would you tell them? So to come in for a consult if they happen to be here?
Absolutely. I would tell them to go ahead and come into for a consultation and let us evaluate, see what kind of a treatment plan we would come up with, and then we would go over every bit of the financials with them, offering them everything that we can do to help them either fit it into that budget that they need monthly, or help them find a way to afford it, to do it by, maybe a prepayment discount or something like that if they were able to do it that way. But we have multiple ways of helping people fit things into their budgets.
So this is what we say in our office, and you can get a dental implant done as low as about $99 a month. And some patients, when they come in, they don't have the money, and we try to go through and work with the banks to see whether we can get them on a payment plan. Sometimes they do not even qualify for those payment plan options. So either we try to do an in-house payment plan, or we call it as a layaway payment plan. Think about this. Some families, they cannot afford to pay even gifts for Christmas, so you kind of lay away the money with Walmart or Amazon to buy the gift at towards the holiday season. The same way. So let's say, for example, you need to have a tooth removed and a bone graft done, and then followed by the implant. Sometimes this treatment may take like about 6 months or 9 months or even up to 12 months. So you got all this time to lay the money away with this, and at the end of that period, we'll be able to absolutely complete the treatment, and just like we do. And I am sure you will be able to find a dentist locally in your area. They should be able to help you. So the bottom line, talk to a local dentist, and they should really be able to help you with the multiple ways they can help you with any type of treatment they can offer.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.